Hey everybody, Terry Butler from Mama Said So, and today it's the big reveal for my Steampunk Mona Lisa coat using my Star 60 tool. And I'm going to show you the back first. I decided to make this jacket. I just extended the, the jacket template out and longer so I could use the entire length of the panel on the front. And I took some of the hexis and I made stars. So I took one hexi to make the center of the star, and then another pieces that would have been a hexi and as the star points. And then I pieced these little things in here with capped 60, which is a technique sheet you can get from that's made by Studio 180. So I just made large hexagons to march up the back, and then used background fabric. And then the front, let me show you the sleeves first. The sleeves I also are hexis, and I showed those in an earlier video, so you could just see it was real dark hexis. And on this one I used the light colored hexis and the balloons that are up in the corner. And then the front, I had a hard, well, I'll get into that in a minute. Here is the front. So I wanted to show you these closures. I have a real hard time picking out a button. So for this one, I went to a craft store and I found hardware for like a jewelry box in the woodworking section. And these little closures, I'm going to show you how cool they work. They just slide right down like that. And I just thought they look so great on this jacket. So actually, coat in this case. So there she is. The other thing I did differently on this one was instead of using batting and a backing, I used Minky on the back. And then I put a facing around the bottom. On the front, I put a facing on one side and then just rolled it over to make the overlapping part of the front. But there she is. Oh my gosh, she's so beautiful. I hope you dare to deviate a little bit from the regular jacket template and just go for it. Make something really fun. Happy stitching, everybody.